Hi guys, how are you today? Today I'm going to provide a comprehensive overview of Airbus NH90 military helicopter. The NH90 is a medium-sized twin-engine multi-role military helicopter designed to meet the needs of NATO countries. It is manufactured by NHIndustries, a consortium consisting of Airbus Helicopters, Leonardo Helicopters and Fokker Aerostructures. The NH90 stands out as one of the most advanced helicopters of its kind, designed to perform in a wide range of military operations. The Airbus NH90 is a multi-role, medium-lift military helicopter that serves a wide array of missions within NATO and allied forces. Developed under a multinational consortium, NHIndustries, the NH90 was designed to replace several aging fleets of helicopters, addressing the evolving requirements of modern military operations. This helicopter is renowned for its cutting-edge technology, including the first ever fly-by-wire control system in a helicopter, extensive use of composite materials, and state-of-the-art avionics. The NH90 is available in two primary variants: the Tactical Transport Helicopter (TTH) and the NATO Frigate Helicopter (NFH), each tailored to specific operational needs. Development and innovation history. The NH90 program was initiated in the early 1980s, stemming from a NATO requirement for a versatile, medium-lift helicopter that could serve in both tactical transport and maritime roles. The aim was to replace aging fleets of helicopters like the Sea King, Puma, and other Cold War era models. Initial design and development. The project officially began in 1985 when France, Germany, Italy, and the Netherlands signed a memorandum of understanding to collaboratively develop a new generation helicopter. The NHIndustries consortium was established in 1992 to oversee this project, with Airbus Helicopters, then Eurocopter, as the lead contractor. Key milestones. 1995, the first prototype of the NH90, the PT-1, was rolled out. It represented a significant leap in the helicopter technology, integrating composite materials, fly-by-wire control systems, and advanced avionics. 2000, the NH90 was made its maiden flight, demonstrating its capabilities and establishing its future role in military operations. 2007, the first operational NH90 TTH tactical transport helicopter was delivered to the German Army, beginning the state of its service life. 2008, the first NH90 NFH NATO frigate helicopter was delivered, tailored for naval operations with advanced maritime capabilities. Technical specifications and capabilities. The NH90 is available in two primary variants, each designed for specific operational environments. NH90 TTH Tactical Transport Helicopter. Length 16.13 meters. Rotor diameter 16.30 meters. Height 5.23 meters. Empty weight 6,400 kg. Maximum takeoff weight 10,600 kg. Cruise speed 259 km per hour. Range 800 km. Power plant 2 Rolls-Royce Thermobeca RTM 322 or General Electric T700-P6E1 turboshaft engines, each delivering 2100 HP. Capacity 20 fully equipped troops or 12 stretchers plus 2 medical attendants. Armament can be equipped with door-mounted machine guns and other modular weapon systems depending on mission requirements. NH90 NFH NATO Frigate Helicopter. Length 16.13 meters, rotor diameter 16.30 meters, height 5.23 meters, empty weight 6400 kg, maximum takeoff weight 10,600 kg, cruise speed 259 km per hour, range 800 km, power plant 2 Rolls-Royce Turbo Mecha RTM 322 or General Electric T700-P6E1 turboshaft engines, each delivering 2100 HP. Capacity 2 pilots and 1 tactical coordinator with additional space for mission-specific equipment and operators. Armament can carry anti-submarine torpedoes, depth charges, and air-to-surface missiles for maritime operations. Innovative features: composite airframe. The NH90's fuselage is made from composite materials, reducing weight and increasing resistance to corrosion, which is especially beneficial for maritime operations. Fly-by-wire control. The NH90 is the first helicopter in the world to feature a full fly-by-wire control system, enhancing its maneuverability and reducing pilot workload. Advanced avionics. It includes a glass cockpit with multifunctional displays, an integrated mission system for real-time data processing, and night vision compatibility. Operational use and variants. The NH90 is employed by over a dozen countries across multiple continents, with variants tailored for specific operational roles. These include NH90 TTH Tactical Transport Helicopter, used primarily for troop transport, medical evacuation, and logistics support. It has been deployed in various conflict zones, providing critical support in both combat and humanitarian missions. NH90 NFH NATO Frigate Helicopter. A naval variant is equipped for anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, search and rescue, and maritime surveillance. It is designed to operate from frigate, destroyers, and other warships. Global deployment. Countries that have adopted the NH90 include France, Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, Australia, New Zealand, and Finland, among others. Each country's fleet is often customized with specific equipment and capabilities to meet national defense requirements. Comprehensive history. The NH90's development reflects decades of technological advancements and collaborative defense initiatives among European nations. The journey from conception to operational deployment involved overcoming numerous technical challenges, including integration, cutting-edge avionics, ensuring maritime operability, and meeting stringent NATO standards. Design and innovation journey. Early 1980s, NATO's need for a new generation helicopter becomes evident as Cold War era helicopters approach adolescence. 1985, France, Germany, Italy, and the Netherlands initiated the NH90 project, focusing on versatility and advanced technology. 1992, NHIndustries is established as the consortium responsible for the NH90's development, with Airbus Helicopters leading the project. 1995, the NH90's first prototype PT-1 is rolled out, showcasing a revolutionary design with composite materials and fly-by-wire systems. 2000, maiden flight of the NH90, marking the beginning of rigorous testing and refinement. 2007 to 2008, the NH90 TTH and NFH variants enter service, beginning their operational deployment in various NATO and allied forces. Challenges and achievements. The development of the NH90 was not without challenges. Technical difficulties, cost overruns, and delays in delivery were part of the program's journey. However, the NH90's introduction into service marked a significant achievement, providing NATO and allied forces with a highly versatile, modern helicopter capable of performing a wide range of military missions. Operational history. Since its introduction, the NH90 has seen extensive use in various military operations, including peacekeeping missions, combat operations, and disaster relief efforts. It has proven its worth in diverse environments, from the deserts of Afghanistan to the maritime regions of the Mediterranean. Current role and future prospects. The NH90 continues to be a vital asset for many countries' military forces. Ongoing upgrade and modernization efforts ensure that the NH90 remains at the forefront of military helicopter technology. Future developments may include enhanced avionics, improved engine performance, and integration of new weapon systems to keep the NH90 relevant in evolving combat scenarios. Continuous upgrades. To maintain its operational edge, the NH90 is regularly upgraded with new technologies. Recent upgrades include improved communication systems, enhanced navigation capabilities, and new mission-specific equipment. Future prospects. Looking forward, the NH90 will likely see further integration of autonomous systems, enhanced defensive capabilities, and increased interoperability with unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) and other modern military assets. Given the depth and breadth of the content you are asking for, development and innovation history. The birth of the NH90 program. The need for a new generation military helicopter became evident in the early 1980s as many NATO countries faced the challenge of replacing their aging fleets. These older helicopters, such as the Sea King, Puma, and Lynx, were nearing the end of their operational lives and were increasingly costly to maintain. Additionally, these helicopters were designed during the Cold War era, meaning they lacked the versatility and technological advancements necessary for modern military engagements. In response, France, Germany, Italy, and the Netherlands initiated a program to develop a versatile medium-sized helicopter that could serve both tactical and maritime roles. This collaborative approach aimed to share the high cost of development and ensure intercompatibility among NATO forces. In 1985, these nations signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) to develop what would become the NH90. Formation of NHIndustries. To manage the complex and ambitious project, NHIndustries was formed in 1992 as a joint venture between four key aerospace companies: Airbus Helicopters, then Eurocopter, Leonardo Helicopters, formerly Augusta Westland, and Fokker Aerostructures. This consortium was tasked with overseeing the design, development, production and support of the NATO NH90. NHIndustries consortium breakdown. Airbus Helicopters 62.5% share, responsible for the overall program management, the development of the airframe, avionics and final assembly of certain units. Leonardo Helicopters 32% share, responsible for the transmission system, rotor blade and final assembly of other units. Fokker Aerostructures 5.5% share, responsible for the tail section and other composite components. This collaborative structure allowed for the pooling of expertise and resources, facilitating the development of one of the most advanced helicopters of its time. Key development milestones. The development of the NH90 involves overcoming numerous technical and logistical challenges. The following are key milestones in the NH90's development journey. In 1995, rollout of the first prototype, PT-1. The first prototype, known as PT-1, was unveiled in 1995. This prototype incorporated many of the innovative features that would define the NH90, including a composite airframe and fly-by-wire control system. The PT-1's design was a significant departure from previous helicopter designs, reflecting the latest advancements in aerospace technology. 2001 to 2006, intensive testing and certification. Following its maiden flight, the NH90 underwent rigorous testing, including extensive trials in various climates and operational conditions. This phase was critical for identifying and resolving any issues before the helicopter could enter full-scale production. The testing also included certification processes to ensure that the NH90 met all NATO and international standards for military aircraft. 2007, first delivery to the German Army. In 2007, the first operational NH90 TTH was delivered to the German Army. This marked the beginning of the NH90's service life, as it began to replace older helicopters in NATO and Allied fleets. The initial deliveries were part of the broader strategy to phase out aging aircraft and introduce the NH90's advanced capabilities to modern military operations. 2008, introduction of the NH90 NFH variant. In 2008, the first NH90 NFH NATO frigate helicopter was delivered, designed specifically for naval operations. The NFH variant featured specialized equipment for anti-submarine warfare, search and rescue missions, and maritime surveillance, making it an invaluable asset for naval forces. Challenges and delays. The NH90 program was not without its challenges. The development process was marked by delays and cost overruns, which are not uncommon in such complex aerospace projects. The ambitious scope of the project, combined with the need to meet the very requirement of multiple nations, contributed to these challenges. Technical challenges. Integration of advanced technologies. The NH90 was one of the first helicopters to incorporate fly-by-wire control, composite materials and advanced avionics systems. Integrating these new technologies into a cohesive and reliable platform proved challenging, requiring extensive testing and refinement. Cost management. The multinational nature of the program added layers of complexity, particularly in cost management. Balancing the budget while meeting with the diverse requirements of different NATO countries was a significant challenge for NHIndustries, delivering delays. The ambitious nature of the project led to delay in production and delivery, which in turn caused frustration among some of the customer nations. However, these issues were gradually resolved as the production process matured. Despite these challenges, the NH90 program ultimately succeeded in delivering a highly capable and versatile helicopter, which has become a cornerstone of modern military aviation. Technical specification and capabilities. The NH90 is renowned for its advanced design and technology, which enables it to perform a wide range of military missions. This chapter will delve into the specific technical details of the NH90, covering its design, power plant, avionics, and armament capabilities. Airframe design. The NH90 features a composite airframe, which is one of the key innovations that sets it apart from earlier helicopter designs. The use of composite materials offers several advantages, including reduced weight, increased corrosion resistance, and enhanced structural strength. These benefits are particularly important for naval operations, where helicopters are exposed to high maritime environments. Composite airframe. Material composition. The airframe is constructed primarily from carbon fiber reinforced polymer (CFRP), along with some titanium and aluminum components. This construction reduces the overall weight of the helicopter, improving fuel efficiency and increasing payload capacity. Durability. The composite materials used in the NH90's airframe provide excellent resistance to corrosion, which is especially beneficial for naval operations where exposure to salt water can accelerate wear and tear. Crashworthiness. The NH90's design also incorporates crashworthy features, including energy-absorbing landing gear and seats, which enhances the safety of the crew and passengers in the event of an emergency landing. Power plant and performance. The NH90 is powered by two turboshaft engines, which vary depending on the specific variant and customer requirements. The two primary engine options are the Rolls-Royce Turbo Mecha RTM322 and the General Electric T700-T6E1. Engine specifications. Rolls-Royce Turbo Mecha RTM322. This engine delivers approximately 2100 shp shaft horsepower per engine, providing the NH90 with the power needed to operate in demanding environments. The RTM322 is known for its reliability and performance, particularly in hot and high altitude conditions. General Electric T700-T6E1. This alternative engine option also delivers around 2100 shp per engine. The T700 series is widely used in military helicopters, known for its durability and ease of maintenance. Performance metrics. Maximum takeoff weight 10,600 kg, allowing the NH90 to carry a substantial payload of troops, equipment and armaments. Cruise speed 259 km per hour, providing a balance between speed and fuel efficiency. Range 800 km, with the option for in-flight refueling to extend operational range. Service ceiling 6,000 meters, enabling the NH90 to operate effectively in various terrains, including mountainous regions. Fly-by-wire control system. One of the most significant innovations in the NH90 is its fly-by-wire control system, This system replaces traditional mechanical control and electronics interfaces, which offers several key advantages. Advantages of fly-by-wire: enhanced maneuverability. The fly-by-wire system allows for more precise control of the helicopter, improving its agility to complex operational environments. Reduce pilot workload. By automating many of the control functions, the fly-by-wire system reduces the workload on pilots, allowing them to focus more on missions critical tasks. Safety features: the system includes built-in safeguards that prevent pilots from exceeding the helicopter's operational limits, thereby reducing the risk of accidents. Conclusion: the Airbus NH90 military helicopter represents a pinnacle of modern military aviation. Its advanced design, versatility, and proven operational capabilities make it a critical asset for NATO and allied forces. As technology continues to evolve, the NH90 is poised to adapt and remain a key component of military operations for decades to come. Guys, these are my new reviews. If you like, this review overview of NH90 helicopter, I would like to provide more overviews of business jets, military jets, aircrafts, etc. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as other social media channels, including Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, X, and Facebook as well. Thank you, guys. Thank you.